I've been living in China for 17 years. This is my home now. So, I mean, for me, if I have to take the vaccination, I mean, and I trust in this vaccine. So, I think it's the best approach right now to control the pandemic, and I think we should be a part of it. And I feel really safe. I've been here since the past 1 year. We haven't traveled, and I feel really safe here. And I really appreciate all the efforts that the government has taken to make us feel safe here and make us feel welcome always.